nabang bakin mo. Butik, kanina na hinawakan ninyo. And ito ay gawa sa ratan, kaya ito ay matibay. Some of them can carry like 30 to 50 kilos pababa. Covered ito ng animal skin or cow skin or balat ng baka. And the bigger one, tinatawag nilang agong. And the smaller one, tinatawag nilang sana. These three set, tinatawag nila ito basal set. And also back at the mountain, if they hear the echoes of agong, it means they're communicating sa spirit ng kanilang ancestors. Sabi mo, you hear that sound like bird and squirrel. Pag visible ng kanilang target, sa kanilang nilalabasan niya handa tinatawag nilang sumpit or supukan. So ma'am sir, look at the drawing board other side. Pabili mo. Yung process na yan, tinatawag nilang santikan or friction. As you can see, yung strike in the visibles mo, na-transfer niya lang yan sa dry grass. And also, at the young age of 5 to 6, tinitrain na nila kung paano magpa-apoy kasi part yun ng survival sa mountain. And also, back at the mountain, wala silang access ng kahit anumang kuryente or electricity. That's why they had their own torch, ang heating torch. Ito ang kanilang ilaw. Tumatagal ito ng 3 to 5 nights, depende kung paano nila gamitin. At mas mahaba lang siya ng konti. And also, they do believe yung smoke ng salang or sahing can drive away the bad spirit, the bad luck, and also can cure stomachache and headache. And also, insect repellent.
Next na.
Ito souvenir, ito yung botanical. Ito yung Baker's Hill.
Wait lang, nailo ako.
Talo kita.
Nakakahilo
Ito,
kaya
ito.
yung swing.
Bake shop.
Gusto mo daw, di ba umupo muna tayo?
Sige.
Sabi ko kanina, cancel ko na lang yung swing. Ayun sila oh. Para ako nasa Enchanted Kingdom. Ay, picture natin, videohan natin. Where is the thing? Para ako nasa Enchanted Kingdom. Ay, picture natin, videohan natin. Where is the thing? Magpa-picture?
Tika lang.
Grabe pawis ko. This is after the giant swing. Grabe pawis ko. Buti na lang wala na akong mga ka-office mate. Hindi, ang dami kong bibilan.
Di ba nung nasa PRA ka?
Kaya nga eh, sa kanila din ang umus yung sweldo.
Ay, hindi. PRA ba yun? Hindi. Ay, oo.
PRA nga.
Yung nakita pala natin doon yung engineer na, yung namatay na. Yung,
Base lang kung ano, kung mga December ko nang balik ko.
Kaya una yung pawis ko.
Ang advantage lang, 200. No. 200 tons. Ang advantage lang. Ang advantage, sumisi.
kasi bayabunda.
With the Sunbelt TV membership, with ABS Churro, the choice is yours. The choice is yours.